This is the Jmierr men's quilted quarter zip hoodie we were sent to review and absolutely love. This is it in orange and it's an absolutely gorgeous color. Comes in a few other options as well. My husband is 135 pounds and 5'7", wearing a size small, so it is true to size, but on the more fitted side. So if you want to wear it baggier, consider sizing up. It's got a true pocket in the front and is so unique and stylish. It's cool. It has like this inner collar here and then the hood is on top of that, so it's really neat, the detailing. I love this quilted look with the contrasting pocket. This is a snap shut. The zipper, you can cinch in the hood if you need to. Machine wash cold. It says do not tumble dry, but honestly, we did tumble dry and it came out perfectly. Like, it's easy care, no wrinkles or anything. The quilted look, the quarter zip, the hoodie, all of it together is just a really, really cool look. We are both loving it and know you will too.